Hello, everyone. Welcome back to this our ArchiMetal case study, the modeling practice by Archi2. Let's follow the last video, figure 23. Now, today we do this 24 to have this application usage, the view cross mapping to the process we break down in the last model. So if you come to the this ArchiMetal practice repository, you can review for this mind map for the case study. Within detail, we can see the structure. So we finished this tool, and we have now working on this second one. So almost every we will detail analyze the process. We have two views. One view is purely the business view. Then we have second one to see how the application usage to this the process. The second one is we only look at one view from those. So total should be 7 to 8 to describe the detail. So today, let's do this figure 24. So let's back to our model. So you can open the ArchiMetal practice model. So from the this repository. So let's again let me recap this. Every model file is saved on our snapshot in the different folder. For example, within the overview file folder, we have the ArchiMetal file per every the diagram or every this kind of the view. So if you want to do the practice starting from every step in the case study, you can starting from those snapshot. So same as until last model, we have done the detail one. So if you come to detail until today, we already finished 3 view. So last view we save this to here. And in the source, the root folder is I have this the common file. So which code is inside this model file folder is called ArchiMetal practice. So they save the whole model, not the snapshot step by step. And we also have a pattern file for the model. So data structure, hope is you get some idea to get your view. So let's go to this 24 here. So application usage by register order process. Similar like this 22 is we don't go scratch from default view. We will duplicate from the last business levels view. So that is the kind of the save your time. So let's see support for this process. It's kind of the application. So same is we will keep the upper one. So these 3 process step are there. Just we clean up the information layer, replace that by the application layer. Let's see whether we have this verify custom exposure service. I don't think so. So, but we can double check. So within the application service, we have the CRM, the general, the system application service according for the CRM overall service. Last 2 views before, we create a folder called develop contract and make some sub the application services, but they are not covered the register order. So let's create those new. Because we don't have so many service in our model tree, but if you have a large the amount, try to use the search and drill down or filter by the category or type of the element, so that you can narrow down to your searching result. So that also a way is to try to prevent you create duplicate the element. Order administration service. So we have the customer administration service. Now we need the order. So that's also still the difference. So let's drag this here. So we have two services on hand now. And these two services serving your business process. So verify is the info exposure service is served the second one, and the order administration service served the first and the third one. So that's quite direct. And then we can drag our CRM system. We already have that as the kind of the base, the integrated things. And let's hide this serving because we are now have a better the layer from the services layer to serve the detail, the application, the business process. Then we have realization to here. Once you finish the locking, you use ESC to unlock. And we have another service. So total customer debt information service. I don't think we have that, but these are also, I put that in the register, the order service folder. So this one, again, we also see the back to serve the application components. So then this, you remember is application components. We also have our serving to business process. Then this, they have some serving relation inbound and some serving relation outbound. We will summarize this in our pattern after this chapter. So then we have the two application components again. So one is the financial application that's already in our the baseline, but we should use this headquarter one because that is our the target, the financial application. We will try to remove or decommission those distributed financial the application. And we have the EI bus that is inside here. And let's clean up those things, remove from view. So that is not the showing here. And then here is our collaboration. So we don't use this before. So, but this one is interesting. The element which you can try to read this collaboration from the. If you click this, then you can see here. If I click collaboration, so represent an aggregate of 2 or 3 or more application internal active structure elements work together to perform collective application behavior. So that is, this one is a perfect element. We can use that to connect different the application layer components. You can also use this to aggregate from this service, but that will create something not easy to be understood because we are talking about the realization by the joint, or we see collaborated the combination of EI bus and our financial application. Then the overall result will be realize your service. So if you put that tools realization, then you don't see they have the collaborative relationship each other. So This is the thing is we introduced one new the element. We didn't use this often before, but good is we can practice this, and we will see that in our pattern later on. Thank you for watching this. Next view, we will move to the track customer order process. Talk later. Bye for now.